Hey everybody, here we are. It's another, you wouldn't believe what's on the other side of the camera right now.
Yeah.
Devin, tell him what's on the other side of the camera.
There's a wall over there.
Oh, I was trying to get him. I was trying to do one of those things and he just sold me out. Okay, well,
I didn't
anyways, here we are for another update video. We are in, you will see this wall. This classroom is fully painted.
It is. Actually, this is one of 5 classrooms that are fully painted. So, excellent.
We also have been painting trim. We got a crew that's painting doors right now.
Yep.
Devin, what else has been going on?
Well, we hung 3 pieces of sheetrock. We didn't quite do
70. We went from 70 to 3.
We did 3.
Yeah. Were they full-size sheets?
No, they were complicated, weird upper around pipes and nasty.
But stuff. Combined it was 3 sheets. Okay, well, at least it wasn't like 3 30-inch sheets. Anyways, what else we've had? Oh, HVAC is just rocking. They have 1 more of our ceiling units, I think, to run all this stuff for.
Yeah.
Still putting up ceiling runners and everything for the drop ceilings.
Plumber came back, did a few things, and we put the drop ceiling in the conference room.
Yep.
So that room's getting pretty close. Yeah,
it's awesome. Stuff. It is so wonderful to hear from people that are asking about the project, that sending emails, sending messages on Facebook and stuff. We love talking about what God is doing, and being able to spread His grace through this opportunity in this community. So we are really excited about that.
Yeah. So again, thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your support. Thank you for coming out and working. It's awesome. We really appreciate you guys.
All right. Hey, by the way, ho! Get back here. I was hoping he was going to do that. This is vlog 30.
Is it? Oh, celebrate.
Woo! Yay. We've been going for 30 weeks.
I don't know if that's a good thing
or a bad thing. Gosh, I shouldn't have said that. All right. Well, see you later.
You fly so free.